Hello friends, welcome back to Hello Helper. Friend, today I am going to share with you how we can use bookmark in Google Chrome. So friend, in this tutorial I will guide you step by step how to use bookmark and how you can manage bookmark in Google Chrome browser. So first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. Friend, this is my Google Chrome browser, and here first thing I am going to share with you how you can enable Google bookmark bar. So here this way you can see that this is the bookmark area. So how you can show and hide bookmark. So click on this three dot icon which is available on the right hand top. Then scrolling down, and here you will see bookmarks and list option. So here friend, you will see hide and show bookmark option. When I click over here, so my bookmark bar will hide. And again, if you want to enable that bookmark bar, you simply click on this three dot icon, and then again hover the mouse on bookmarks list and then click on show bookmarks bar. And this is the shortcut key of your keyboard, Control Shift B. So by this keyboard shortcut key you can also enable and disable your bookmark bar. So Control and press Control key, Shift key and then B. So this bar will enable and you will hide this bar. You simply press Control key and hold it, then press Shift key and then B. So this bar will gone. So right now we want to enable this bar, and here I'm going to open some website and we are going to bookmark that website first. So here for example, this is google.com. Again, here I'm going to open yahoo.com, and here I'm also opening my something other blogs like Mashable. Here you will see Mashable website. So I want this website as a bookmark, and some other websites also I'm opening here and doing the bookmark here. Okay, so for example, this is the AI website ChatGTP, right? So I want to bookmark these three websites over here. So what I will do by two methods. Here you will see this start button which is available here. You simply click on it, and here you will give your custom name. For example, here I am going to add new news, right? And here the folder option. If you want to add folder, you can simply create folder option. So click on this new folder option and then type news website for example, and then click save button. So what happened, this website or bookmark is saved in this folder like news websites. Okay, and if you want to do a direct bookmark on this bar, then what you will do, simply click here and then hold it and then drop over here. Okay, here also I'm going to share with you simple method to manage by the folder over here. Okay, so right click on it and then click here add folder. So here I'm going to add rest websites. Okay, then click on this save button. So what happened, this website folder is created over here. This is the bookmark folder, and now I will drag this website. First I click on it and then hold it, then move on this folder. Okay, so what happened when I click over here, then you will see this website is added into this folder. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily use Bookmark in your Google browser. In upcoming videos I will share with you how you can restore, delete and backup your bookmark in Google Chrome. So stay tuned with me, and friends, please comment me below what things you like into this video, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.